Hi, my name is Radhika and welcome to Flipkart.com. Today we're going to check out two new rollouts from Haier Stable, HRF 2674BSR and HRF 2904BSR. These are two new revolutionary refrigerators with 1-hour icing technology. Let's start with checking out the important features. Now, these refrigerators come with a frost-free double door. With the brushed finish, I think they look pretty sleek and stylish. They do come in a number of color options, so now you can match your refrigerator to your kitchen interiors. Now, this particular model, HRF 2674BSR, has a capacity of 247 liters, while the HRF 2904BSR has a capacity of 270 liters. Other than that, both of these refrigerators have the exact same features. The best thing about these refrigerators is the 1-hour icing technology, which means you can get all the ice you want for the next house party in less than an hour. Let's have a look at the freezer. Looks like decent space to me. A very cool feature is the twist ice tray. This quirky feature definitely makes life simpler. Summers look like a lot of fun with this one in the kitchen. Let's open the refrigerator and check it out from the inside. Now, this one comes packed with 360-degree airflow, which basically means all the corners of the refrigerator are equally cooled. In most others, you will notice that the food items stacked in front get all the airflow, while the ones in the back do not. This cool technology really takes care of that. This refrigerator also comes with VC filter, which basically means fruits and vegetables kept inside will stay fresh for up to 7 days. Now, speaking of summers, there are frequent voltage fluctuations that we all face. The good thing about this refrigerator is that it has a stabilizer-free operation, which can work from 135 volts to 290 volts. So now you can save up on the cost of an extra stabilizer that you buy just for your refrigerator. And what's more, the refrigerant or the cooling gas used by this fridge is actually environment friendly. It does not contribute to ozone layer depletion. Closing this, you will notice a lock right here. It's to steer away naughty kids. So here goes my final word. A good capacity, some very innovative features, eco-friendly technology, and huge power savings. All of these, I feel, make this refrigerator a great choice for your home. Come join the Flipkart family. We offer quick delivery, hassle-free installation, detailed demo, and an assured brand warranty. Thank you for watching this video. Have a perfect buy.